Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by setting a clear scale and placing anchor lines so every measurement ties back to a reference. Pick a practical scale, 1/4 equals 1 minus 0 or 1, 50, so your grid fits the paper. Once done, draw a baseline and a perpendicular datum at 90 degrees to it. These become your X and Y references. Make sure to measure overall room length and width, plus fixed items like doors and columns, and write those values near the anchor lines to avoid remeasuring. Now you convert dimensions into grid units and lay the network across the plan. Decide on grid spacing, 1 foot or 0. 5 meter squares, so elements align cleanly. From your baseline, mark ticks at each grid interval and extend light grid lines using the perpendicular anchor for accuracy. Once the grid is visible, translate measured features to grid coordinates. Door center at 3 squares from the left, window spanning 2 squares. This makes scaling and relocating elements quick and repeatable. Finish by tracing definitive walls and adding details so your grid becomes a usable plan. Darken walls, draw door swings, place fixtures, and annotate each item with grid-based coordinates and dimensions. Include the scale and a north arrow for context. Once done, double-check critical distances against original measurements. If things look off, recheck your 2 anchor lines and reproject the suspect measurements along them. This usually reveals a small placement error you can correct without redoing the whole grid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.